Dear students of class 7, today we are going to solve question number 19, 20, 21, 22. In the question number 19, at midnight the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius. 1 hour later it was 2 degree warmer. What was the temperature then? The temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius and it was 2 degree warmer after 1 hour. That means the temperature will increase. Now in the solution we can write temperature at midnight equals to minus 5 degree Celsius and after 1 hour the temperature increased 2 degree Celsius. Therefore the exact temperature after 1 hour is minus 5 degrees Celsius plus 2 degrees Celsius equals to minus 3 degree Celsius. Now in the question number 20, Neeta has a loan of rupees 1200 to repay. Her father gave rupees 2500. Describe Neeta's financial position. That means she has a loan of rupees 1200 to repay. That means Neeta has to repay the loan of 1200. It will be minus from his money. Therefore we can write because Neeta has money equals to rupees 2500 and Neeta has to repay money equals to rupees 1200. Therefore after repaying the money, Neeta has money equals to Neeta's financial position. Equals to rupees 2500 minus rupees 1200 equals to rupees, by subtracting these numbers, 0 0 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore we can say Neeta has money rupees 1300 after repaying the loan. Now in the question number 21, a plane is flying at 600 meter above the sea level. At a particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1000 meter below the sea level. Plane is flying 6000 meter above the sea level and it is exactly above a submarine floating 1000 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Then we have to put the height of plane from sea level is in plus and depth of submarine is minus from sea level. Therefore we can say what is the vertical distance between them. The position of plane from sea level. Plane at a distance of 6,000 meter above, that means plus 6,000 meter. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,000 meter below the sea level. Plane at a distance from sea level. And submarine at a distance equals to 1,000 meter below from sea level. Now we need to find the distance between plane and submarine. Now vertical distance between plane and submarine equals to 6,000 minus 1,000. It will be equals to 6,000 minus plus 1,000 equals to 7,000 meter. It is very clear because the plane is flying at a distance 6,000 meter above sea level and the submarine is floating 1,000 meter below the sea level. That means below in negative position, above in positive position. Now in the question number 22, Rajesh deposits rupees 5,000 in his bank account. Deposit means it will be considered with plus sign, and withdraws rupees 4,650 from it. Withdraws will be considered as negative integers. If the withdrawal of amount in the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? The deposited amount will be in plus position, that means plus 5,000. Find the balance in Rajesh's account after the withdrawal. We can give the answer very simple. Question number 22. In solution, we can say deposit will be represented in plus 5,000 and withdrawal will represent in minus 4,650. Therefore, balance equals to deposit minus withdrawal, 5,000 minus 4,650. Therefore, we can write by subtracting these two integers 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 9 is here. 9 minus 6 is 3 and 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, we can say the balance in Rajesh's account is rupees 350.